Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is January 16, 2014. Thank you for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts. There's a lot to cover today. We're going to start off with the S&P 500 E-mini futures as usual. What you're going to see here is that the futures are actually trading lower by 3.5 points. Yes, they did rebound just a little bit here on this little 10-minute candle bar, but either way, futures are a little bit lower this morning. Now, there's a lot going on in the markets as far as stocks are concerned. Earnings season is underway. There's a lot of big movers out here. I'm going to cover those in just a minute. But before we do that, I just want to go over the European markets. And real quickly, the German DAX is down about 0.25%. The FTSE 100, which is England, they can print their own money. They are flat. The rest of the European stock indexes are basically somewhat in line with the German DAX. When I look at Asia last night, the Nikkei 225 index did finish lower by about 0.4%. The Shanghai Composite, which is mainland China, they did finish flat. The Indian Bombay Sensex index was flat. So was the Singapore Straits Times index was also flat. So again, we're not going to make too much out of the European and Asian markets today. But when we see the stocks here, some of these moves in the U.S. market may make your jaw drop. Take a look at Best Buy this morning. Best Buy is getting hammered to the downside. The stock closed yesterday at $37.57. It is now trading at $26.41. This actually should go lower. I will have some levels posted in the chat room at 9 a.m. to trade Best Buy. We will look to get some scalp bounces off of this one today, possibly even some scalp shorts this afternoon. But either way you slice it or dice it, the stock is just getting absolutely annihilated. It is down about 29% on the session. So any way you cut it, Best Buy is not looking like any kind of a buy at the moment. Let this thing fall, and again, what comes to the chat room at 9 a.m. we'll have gap levels there for you. Another stock I'm looking at today that is really getting hit hard is Citigroup. Citigroup closed at $55 a share yesterday. The stock is trading at $53.21. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but believe it or not, that's a big move for a bank stock, especially a stock that did a reverse split to even get its price up to $50, or else it would normally be a $5.40 stock. But look at the stock right now. You see it trading at $53.25. I will have gap levels for this one, but a level I'll give you that I do like if the stock does get down there. I'm going to give you two spots today right here, right now in the video. One would be $51. This is a mathematical level. And the other one would be around $46.60. So both levels should give you intraday bounces. That's my freebie for the day. Citigroup, you'll get a little scalp bounce. Again, these are not long-term holds. These are just day trades, scalp bounces. All right, $51. It might even be a pierce of 51, maybe $50.97. And then you're going to look at $46.60. Those are two levels for Citigroup today. Let's take a look at another stock here, CSX, major railroad in the United States. Stock is getting hammered, closed at $29.23. It's trading at $27.87. This one I will have a gap level for you. So again, come over to the chat room. That'll be posted up at 9 o'clock. Gap level for you. New Skin continues to lose its skin. The stock closed at $115.23 yesterday in a bloodbath session. Stock was down on 9.9 million shares yesterday. Today, it is gapping lower again. I will have gap levels for this one. This is a lighter volume equity, so sometimes it comes with slightly higher risk. However, I think the levels are pretty solid. So come on over to the chat room. That'll be posted up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Looks like Yahoo's in the news today. Stock is dipping a little bit. It closed at $41.07. Today it's trading at $40.28 at the moment. You could see here. It looks like I believe one of the officers left the company. I'm not exactly sure who it was, but I do believe that I think it was a CFO. I'm not 100% sure. You could check out the news, or maybe the COO. So I think the COO left the company, but you could check it out for yourself. I'm not really 100% sure what it is there, but either way, that stock is a little bit lower. I do have a level for Yahoo that I'm going to give you if it gets down there. Traders can look to buy it for a scalp bounce today at $36.98. Okay, so $36.98. 98 cents. It might be 96 cents. It's somewhere around there, give or take 2 pennies. That is a level you can trade it for a scalp bounce. 36.96, 36.90 heat, somewhere around there. I didn't really get a chance to really definitively find it to the penny, but again, it'll be about 2 cents off. So 36.96, call it that. That's where you could trade Yahoo for a scalp bounce. Let's take a look here at Solar City today. The stock, I believe, was upgraded by somebody to a $90 price target. Again, it's options expiration, so you'll get a lot of these ridiculous upgrades and downgrades each and every day. Yeah, it looks like Deutsche Bank upgraded the stock. Stock is up decently right now. It's at 71.20. It closed at 68.50. Do not touch this thing. It is over bloated. It is extended, overbought. I don't know any other way to put it. If I had a good level and if it wasn't such a new issue and I had some past resistance points, I would be shorting the name right now. But either way, do not buy this equity simply because it's just overcooked to the upside, regardless of what the Deutsche Bank analyst says. He doesn't understand charts. So when you look at an equity like Solar City today, you really can't do much with it unless it gives you a topping signal once the market opens, and we'll be looking for that today. But either way you slice or dice it, do not chase this. Do not listen to the analyst. Again, it's options expiration. There's a week of institutional game playing. When an analyst wants to distribute, or a company wants to distribute stock to the public, what do? They upgrade it at a high. So again, be careful here. Don't want to bite into that upgrade. I believe Goldman Sachs is also in the news today. Stock had earnings. It closed at 178.75 yesterday. It's trading at 179. It was up earlier. Now this is a funny thing right here. You may get a kick out of this one. Goldman topped analyst forecast, it looks like, but the profit was down 19% as trading revenues fell. So you gotta just chalk it up to Goldman is starting to suffer a little bit from the low trading volumes that we're seeing out there each and every day. But I find it kind of ironic that profit was down 19% as trading revenue declined. So again, they beat their forecasts. I guess with accounting anybody can beat it, but their profit was down 19% as trading revenue declined. So take it for what you will. When I look at Goldman right now, there's nothing I would do on that chart either way. Long, short, nothing. Don't do anything. Leave it alone. Let it fall. If it falls, and we'll find a better level, but there's really nothing in play at the moment. There could be some scalps intraday, but nothing I'm seeing here. We do have a bunch of gap plays today, so that I did not even mention. So come on over to the intraday stock chat. That'll be up at 9 a.m. The video will be posted at 9 a.m. The gaps will be posted also at 9 a.m. each and every day. With that said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.